You've probably heard all the hype about blockchain, but let me ask you this. Do you actually know how it's changing the world beyond cryptocurrencies? Most people don't. And that's exactly why you're here. In this video, I'll reveal mind-blowing real-world blockchain applications that are reshaping industries like finance, healthcare, and even how we vote. Trust me, this isn't just another tech jargon. It's a revolution you can't afford to ignore. Think about it. With scams, inefficiencies, and outdated systems running the show, it's no wonder we feel powerless. But blockchain? It's flipping the script. It's all about transparency, security, and putting control back where it belongs, with you. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how blockchain works, but also how it can impact your everyday life in ways you never imagined. So, if you're ready to uncover the truth about blockchain and why it's not just for crypto geeks anymore, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and turn on notifications. I promise you, the daily insights you'll gain here are going to blow your mind. Let's dive in. Blockchain is basically a digital ledger. Imagine a notebook, except it's unhackable, transparent, and spread across a global network. Each transaction or piece of information gets recorded in a block, and once it's there, it's permanent. There's no middleman pulling the strings. It's like the ultimate group project where nobody can cheat or hog the credit, making it trustworthy by design. Now, here's why this matters. Decentralization. Think of it as taking power out of the hands of a single authority and distributing it to everyone. Instead of relying on one entity like a bank or a government, the system runs on a network of participants. It's like turning the internet itself into a vault. Hackers? Good luck trying to break into something that's everywhere and nowhere at once. But why should you care? Simple. Blockchain isn't just about cryptocurrencies. It's about transparency, efficiency, and giving individuals more control. Imagine not needing to wait days for bank transfers or worrying about fake news in your supply chain. It's not some future sci-fi tech. It's here, and it's reshaping industries while empowering everyday people. Now let's see what it's doing outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Supply chain management has always been a black box. Ever wonder if that sustainable coffee you bought really came from where they say it did? Enter blockchain. It tracks every step of the journey, from farm to table, ensuring transparency. It's like having a GPS for your goods, with every stop documented and verified. Suddenly, businesses can't fudge the details, and you, the consumer, know exactly what you're getting. Now, take digital identity. Forget juggling a dozen passwords for your online accounts. Blockchain can create a single secure identity that you control. Think of it as your digital passport. No middlemen, no breaches. Companies like Microsoft and IBM are already exploring how this could streamline everything from logging into apps to verifying your ID at the airport. And then there's healthcare. Imagine having your medical records securely stored on a blockchain. No more redundant tests because one hospital can't access another's files. It's not just about convenience, it's about saving lives. Blockchain ensures your data stays secure and accessible only to those you choose. Ready to dive into some real-world examples? Let's talk food. Ever wonder how that organic avocado actually made it to your plate? Blockchain is revolutionizing food traceability, ensuring every step from farm to table is documented. For instance, Walmart uses blockchain to track produce, reducing food waste and ensuring safety. It's like having a backstage pass to your food's journey. No more guesswork, just verified transparency. Next, imagine voting without the fear of fraud or manipulation. Blockchain-based voting systems, like those tested in places such as West Virginia, provide a secure and transparent way to count votes. Each ballot becomes an immutable record, removing any chance of tampering. It's democracy, upgraded for the digital age. Trust in elections could finally become a reality. And let's not forget DeFi, the shining star of blockchain innovation. Platforms like Uniswap and Aave are giving traditional finance a run for its money. They let you trade, lend, and earn interest without ever stepping into a bank. It's like having a 24/7 financial system at your fingertips. Now, let's peek into the future to see what blockchain has in store for us next. Blockchain and the Internet of Things, IoT, are shaping up to be a match made in tech heaven. Picture smart devices seamlessly communicating and transacting with each other without human intervention. Blockchain ensures these interactions are secure and tamper-proof, paving the way for smarter cities, autonomous cars, and connected homes. It's not just convenience, it's a whole new way of living. Then there's the potential for massive social impact. Imagine using blockchain to provide transparent aid distribution in disaster zones, or empowering unbanked populations with financial tools. Organizations like the World Food Program are already leveraging blockchain to ensure every penny of donated money reaches its intended recipient. The possibilities are endless. It's a tool for good that we're just beginning to understand. But no innovation comes without challenges, right? The evolving landscape of blockchain regulations is both an opportunity and a hurdle. Governments worldwide are grappling with how to integrate this disruptive tech into existing frameworks. From tax policies to legal compliance, the way these rules take shape will either stifle or supercharge blockchain's adoption. And that's the billion-dollar question. Will the world embrace blockchain, or will fear hold it back? This story is far from over. Blockchain isn't just a tech trend, it's a game changer for how we live, work, and interact with the world. We've explored how it's reshaping industries like supply chain management, voting systems, and even healthcare. But the real question is, what are you going to do with this knowledge? Will you let this transformative technology pass you by, or will you be ahead of the curve and ride the wave? If you're serious about taking control of your financial future and would like to support my channel, I've got something special for you. My ebook on mastering DeFi is the ultimate guide to building financial freedom using decentralized finance. It's packed with exclusive strategies, insider tips, and my perfect DeFi portfolio to help you maximize yields and protect your investments. Trust me, this isn't just a resource. It's a roadmap to success. The link is pinned in the first comment below, so don't miss it. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the cutting-edge strategies we share here daily. This is just the beginning. Blockchain is evolving fast, and so should your knowledge. Keep learning, keep exploring, and stay ahead in the game. See you tomorrow.